Let us discuss some important questions of history of Indian Railways under DFCCL. Let us start from the first question. The first train service started in India between the station of the first train service started in India. That means first passenger train service started between Bombay's Boribandar station to Thane in 16th April 1853 में स्टार्ट हुआ था. The first train service, that is the first passenger train service, started in India between Bombay's Boribandar station to Thane. Then question number 2, which of the following is the oldest running train in the history of Indian Rail Corporation? सबसे ओल्डेस्ट रनिंग ट्रेन क्या है? वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस, कालका मेल, दिल्ली मेल, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस. कालका मेल is the oldest running train in the history of Indian Railway. This is also known as East India Railway. Okay, Kalka Mail is also known as East India Railway. During British time, Kalka Mail Express was run. Okay, then question number 3. Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Lord Dalhousie is known as the father of Indian Railways. Then which of the following zone of Indian Railway is the largest? सबसे बड़ा रेलवे जोन कौन सा है? नॉर्दर्न रेलवे is the largest zone of Indian Railway. So question number 5. In broad gauge, the distance between the rail is 1.67 meter, that is 5 feet 6 inch. Okay, 1.67 meter is equal to 5 feet 6 inch also. If the option feet and inch, then you have to answer 5 feet 6 inch. Okay, then question number 6. Where is the headquarter of North Central Railway Zone situated? North Central Railway Zone situated in which place? That is in Allahabad or Prayagraj. The name Allahabad name was changed to Prayagraj. So the headquarter of North Central Railway Zone is Allahabad or Prayagraj. Which country's railway network is the second largest railway network in Asia? एशिया का सबसे सेकंड लार्जेस्ट रेलवे नेटवर्क कौन सा है? चाइना तो एशिया का फर्स्ट नंबर 1 रेलवे नेटवर्क है. इंडिया इज द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट रेलवे नेटवर्क इन एशिया में सेकंड पोजीशन में आता है इंडिया, सेकंड लार्जेस्ट रेलवे नेटवर्क. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. व्हेन वाज द फर्स्ट ट्रेन स्टीम्ड ऑफ इन इंडिया? कब फर्स्ट ट्रेन चला था? दैट इज 1853 में बोरीबंदर से थाने तक. In India, the first metro rail service was inaugurated in 24th October 1984 in Kolkata. First metro rail service was started in Kolkata in 24th October 1984 में स्टार्ट हुआ था कोलकाता में. Then question number 10. Which of the following was the first electric train in India? First electric train, that is Deccan Queen. Deccan Queen is the first electric train in India. Okay. Then question number 11. Which railway station is going to be the world's longest railway platform? World's longest railway platform, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction will be, होगा. वर्ल्ड्स लॉन्गेस्ट रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म हो जाएगा दीन दयाल उपाध्याय रेलवे जंक्शन. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Which railway zone was becomes first zone to have functional energy neutral railway station on the network? Energy neutral railway station. Which railway station becomes the energy neutral railway station? That is that is South Central Railway, Northern Railway, Central Railway, North East Railway, that is Central Railway, Central Railway. Central Railway become the energy neutral railway station. Railway Protection Force has been renamed as what? RPF. पहले जो RPF था अभी इसका नेम चेंज होके क्या हुआ है? इंडियन रेलवे प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स सर्विस। बी ऑप्शन हो गया है, इंडियन रेलवे प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स सर्विस हो गया है। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, the longest continental railway in the world is Trans-Siberian Railway. Trans-Siberian Railway is the longest continental railway in the world. 15. Which railway station has recently been renamed to Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction? Mughal Sarai Railway Station. Mughal Sarai Railway Station has recently been renamed as Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction. Okay. Then question number 16. By which year Indian Railway is planning to be complete 100% electrification of broad gauge routes? 100% इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन कब तक हो जाएगा? बाय दिसंबर 2023. By December 2023, Indian Railways is planning to be complete 100% electrification of broad gauge. Okay. Then question number 17. Who among the following has been appointed as the new chairman and CEO of Railway Board? न्यू चेयरमैन कौन बना है? सुनीत शर्मा. Sunit Sharma is appointed as the new chairman and CEO of Railway Board of India. Then 18. In which year railway budget was separated from the general budget? In 1921, the railway budget was separated from the general budget on the recommendation of Ackworth Committee. On the recommendation of Ackworth Committee, the William Ackworth Committee, the railway budget was separated from the general budget. Okay. Then question number 9. India's fastest train Gatiman Express will run between which of the following railway station? Gatiman Express हजरत निजामुद्दीन रेलवे स्टेशन टू आगरा रेलवे स्टेशन तक चलता है गतिमान एक्सप्रेस, जिसका स्पीड कितना है? 160 किलोमीटर पर आवर. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. By which year Indian Railway is planning to be 100% electrification broad gauge routes? That is by December 2023. Then which express train has been flagged up by Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi between Varanasi and Vadodara in September 2017? Which train was been flagged up by Honorable Prime Minister? That is Varanasi Kranti Express, Varanasi Vadodara Superfast Express, Mahamana Express, Amaravati Express. That is Mahamana Express. Mahamana Express has been flagged up by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in September 2017. Which was the first hill passenger railway opened in 1981? That is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway was first hill passenger railway opened in India in 1881. Which railway station got a complete makeover with the Mithila paintings? Mithili paintings. Madhubani railway station. Madhubani railway station got complete makeover with Maithili paintings. That is famous in Bihar. Okay, you have to remember this. Vivek Express trains were started to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. स्वामी विवेकानंद का जो 150th एनिवर्सरी था, इसमें विवेक एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन को स्टार्टेड किया गया था, वो सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट रूट कवर करता है आसाम से डिब्रूगढ़ से, आसाम का डिब्रूगढ़ से कन्याकुमारी तक, आसाम का डिब्रूगढ़ से कन्याकुमारी तक वो चलता है। ओके, थैंक यू।